Hello and welcome to a video for my Honors Project dental appointment system. I just wanted to make a follow-up video because in one of my previous videos, this video here, video number 5, as we can see, this particular keyword in my test failed. It was the only keyword that failed. And then here's just the summary for that particular test suite. So this was the only, this wasn't a keyword, this was a test case. This was the only test case that failed, and the only keyword that failed in it was this one, element with locator username not found. And I just wanted to point out that the tests do still pass even on the same virtual machine. So I'm not entirely sure. I'm going to look a bit into why that might have failed, so I could give an explanation. But so you can see this time I reran it, everything passed, all of these passed, and then if I go find that part, so that was in the robot complete registration test suite, excuse me. So complete registration, and it was the client can be fully registered. So you can see right here, this passed. So we saw in the summary that everything passed, and then I am showing explicitly that this passed. I didn't change the code at all. So now we can take a peek into this, and maybe I can give an idea on why that might have failed. So this is the robot file for the completing registration. So the test suite was that the client can be fully registered, which is this one here. So the keyword was element with username not found. So that would have either been here with the login keyword here, or the complete registration keyword. So the complete registration keyword, as you can see, we try to do input text into the username. The username ID refers to the HTML element with that ID. So maybe it was this that failed. Wait until element is visible username. So then what probably happened is I probably should have, it probably only failed because this is a virtual machine, so it's going to be using, I allocated a bit fewer resources to this versus my host operating system, of course, because I want my host operating system to be able to continue to run, so I can do stuff like record this video, for example. But what I should have done, I suppose, is I should have increased this timeout from 2 seconds to something higher, so it would have been guaranteed to continue to pass even on a weaker device or virtual machine such as this virtual machine. So I'm going to bet it was just because this virtual machine was running more slowly, and that's probably why the username field wasn't found. So this whole video was just to show and prove, even on this virtual machine, that the tests do indeed all pass, so that there's no so that no one thinks my tests are brittle. So even running on the same virtual machine without changing the code, that 2 seconds passed this time, so maybe it wouldn't pass every time. So I might as well just bump this up to 3 seconds right now. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to prove that my tests do indeed pass. It's not me pretending they do. I reran them, and this time they did pass. It's probably just a timing issue, since this is a virtual machine with weaker resources. That's it. Thanks. Bye.